Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best portable chair is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of gear for anyone who loves the outdoors, enjoys attending events, or simply needs a comfortable seating solution on the go, especially when you consider the added convenience of a built-in charger that keeps your devices powered up wherever your adventures take you. Number 5. OIVO PS4 Cooling Station with Controller Charger. Introducing the ultimate stand for your PlayStation 4. It's designed to keep your console cool, store your games, and charge your controllers all at once. Never wait long to play again. This station features fast charging for your controllers, indicated by clear LED lights. Get back to gaming in just 2 hours. Keep your console performing at its best with the upgraded cooling fan. It efficiently dissipates heat, ensuring quiet operation even during extended gaming sessions. Designed for a snug fit, it provides a stable and secure vertical placement for your PS4, PS4 Slim, or PS4 Pro console. It ensures your device stays put. Powering up is simple and flexible. It connects easily via USB, allowing you to use various devices like a USB adapter, hub, or even your console itself. Declutter your space with 12 dedicated game slots. Keep your favorite titles within easy reach and maintain a tidy gaming environment. What we like. This is the ultimate upgrade for your PlayStation 4 setup. It keeps your console cool, charges your controllers quickly, and stores your games all in one sleek unit. If you're a dedicated PS4 gamer looking to optimize your space and enhance performance, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The fans are very quiet. Really don't notice them. The two small fans are doing what they're intended for. The storage slots seem to work fine for game cases, the two fans are not that loud, it's a really simple setup and the lights on controller charging station go off once controllers are charged. Number 4. JBL Clip 4 Portable Mini Bluetooth Speaker. Introducing the JBL Clip 4, a compact Bluetooth speaker designed for life on the move. It delivers surprisingly big sound and punchy bass, making every moment pop. Don't let its size fool you. This ultra-portable speaker packs a powerful audio punch with an extended frequency range, bringing your music to life. Enjoy up to 10 hours of continuous playtime on a single charge. Its redesigned carabiner makes it easy to clip onto your clothes or backpack. Stream your favorite tunes wirelessly with the latest Bluetooth 5.1 technology. You can also take crystal clear calls thanks to the noise and echo-canceling speakerphone. Don't let the elements stop you. This speaker is IP67 waterproof and dustproof, with durable fabric and rugged housing, perfect for any outdoor adventure. For over 70 years, JBL has been at the forefront of audio innovation. We bring music to life, empowering you to live life to the fullest, anywhere, anytime. What we like. Experience surprisingly powerful audio in a compact design. Its rugged, waterproof build and convenient carabiner make it ideal for any adventure. If you love taking your music outdoors, to the beach, or on hikes and want a durable speaker that can keep up, this is the one for you. What people say. Despite its small size, the sound this little speaker delivers is seriously impressive. The audio is clear and balanced, with rich mids and surprisingly strong bass that fills up outdoor spaces better than I expected. The design is super practical. It's lightweight and rugged, and the integrated clip makes it easy to attach to a backpack, bike, or belt loop, no extra straps or accessories needed. Bluetooth 5.1 keeps the connection stable and responsive, so music doesn't drop or lag when my phone is nearby. Battery life has been excellent too, I can play music for hours without having to recharge, and that's a huge plus for long outings. Number 3. Lutron Caseta Smart Dimmer Switch Kit PBDG PKG2WA. Seamlessly integrate your lights with Amazon Alexa, Apple Home, Google Home, and more. It connects with more smart home devices than any other brand. Control your lights wirelessly from anywhere in your home with the included Pico remote. It works through walls and has a 10-year battery life. Transform your existing lights into smart lights with a single dimmer switch. Save money and maintain your preferred bulb styles by upgrading the switch itself. Manage your lighting from anywhere using the Lutron app. Enjoy advanced features like scenes, scheduling, and geofencing for ultimate convenience. This dimmer switch offers advanced functionality with a sleek, modern design. Easily turn lights on and off, and adjust brightness with dedicated buttons. Experience super-fast, ultra-reliable smart lighting that doesn't rely on Wi-Fi. It operates independently, ensuring your other devices aren't slowed down. What we like. Upgrade your home lighting with unparalleled smart control. This system offers seamless integration with Alexa, Apple Home, and Google Home, ensuring your lights are always responsive. If you're looking for a robust and dependable smart lighting solution that's easy to set up and control from anywhere, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It was very easy to install, even for the 3-way switch. The included plate covers hide the screw holes, giving it a more modern and clean look. It even comes with a remote. With the app you have complete control of every switch individually, thanks to the tiny hub that ties them all together using its own wireless network. The hub plugs into your wireless router so you can control your switches from anywhere over the internet. Lutron switches integrate seamlessly with Alexa and it's really easy to set up. Additionally, we have a lot of guests stay with us, non-tech savvy grandparents, and it's easy to use for them without knowing how to use Alexa because the switches work traditionally too. Number 2. Aceletiqs heated stadium seat. Experience the comfort of home, even at the stadium. Our heated seat takes your game day experience to a whole new level, keeping you warm and comfortable. With up to 115F of heat and an included USB battery, you can enjoy your favorite sports in cozy warmth. It's ready to use right out of the box. Feel at home anywhere with its wide design, waterproof bottom, and water-resistant construction. The high-density memory foam cushions and adjustable recline make it feel like your couch. Keep your favorite snacks and drinks close by with multiple pockets and a convenient cup holder. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. This smart, foldable seat with back straps is easy to take anywhere. Enjoy it at your favorite sports games or any outdoor adventure. We are confident in our product and offer a lifetime guarantee. Our support team is always available to ensure you have the best experience. What we like. Transform your experience at outdoor events with superior comfort and warmth. This seat provides adjustable heating and plush cushioning, ensuring you stay cozy even in cold weather. If you're a sports fan who wants to enjoy games from the stands without the chill, this is the perfect companion for you. What people say. The chair is comfortable and sturdy, perfect for outdoor events. The built-in charger is a game changer, keeping my phone powered up all day. It folds up easily and comes with a convenient carrying bag. Number 1. NUMANU 2026 Upgraded XXL Collapsible Stool. Tired of foreign brands? We offer a US-based lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. Simply contact the seller to make use of it. Experience our upgraded XXL stool, now taller and wider than ever before. It's lightweight yet incredibly strong, supporting up to 1,000 pounds. Enjoy comfortable seating with the 360 swivel cushion. Plus, it comes with a waterproof bag for easy and protected transport. Opening and locking is a breeze with our improved design. It features a handle and a safety lock to prevent accidental opening. This versatile stool is perfect for countless activities, from camping and fishing to travel and DIY projects. Sit comfortably in seconds, wherever you go. Your purchase makes a difference. We donate a portion of our sales to support wounded U.S. Army veterans. Thank you for your contribution. What we like. This is the most robust and user-friendly portable stool on the market. Its extra-large size, high weight capacity, and innovative safety features make it incredibly reliable. If you need a sturdy, comfortable, and easy-to-use seating solution for a variety of outdoor activities or travel, this stool is an outstanding option. What people say. It feels extremely sturdy and secure when fully opened, and I love that it supports a high weight capacity without feeling unstable. The cushion on top makes it comfortable to sit on, even for longer periods. It's lightweight, easy to carry with the strap, and fits perfectly in the included bag. Setup is quick and simple, and adjusting the height is very smooth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.